Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to implement the CRUD operations like users, roles, and permissions. That is by using prompt. I already prepared prompt. If you have some time, please go through the prompt. And one more thing, remember, this is the prompt I created based on my requirement. So if your requirement is vary, you can create as per your requirement. So, but anyhow, I prepared this prompt in the editor also. I will add this prompt under the video description as well. If you want, you can copy and modify this prompt as per your requirement. But let me read the prompt. As an admin, I want to create CRUD operations on users, roles, permission so that I can manage the access control effectively. Keep it in mind that I have already installed Filament version 4, Laravel 12 version, PHP 8.2. This type of command is required. Why? Because recently Filament version 4 is released. Some of the AI tools may give you the version 3 code, but we install version 4 in our machine. But if you are getting version 3 kind of code, maybe there may be some compatibility issues. That's why I added this command and create migration file to add a new column called isActive into users table. As per that, update the model also. Model means users model. Because I want to manage users active and inactive also in this. That's why I added this column. If required, please create models for roles, permissions also. I already installed this package to manage the roles and permissions. Please give me the artisan commands to create the filament v4 resources for user, role, and permission. So they will give you some commands. By just running the command, CRUD operation will create it automatically. Command running, that's all. We no need to write the code. Just by writing a command, it will create the CRUD operation for users, roles, and permissions. Based on the above CRUD operation, I can easily create users, roles, permissions so that I create permissions. Those permissions I can add to roles. Those roles I can assign to users. Please create seeder class, admin permission seeder to update the permissions to admin. So I will tell you why this is required here. Admin permission seeder. Initially, we are creating a user admin. For that admin, we need some permissions. Even admin can create an admin so that one admin needs to assign permissions to another admin, right? That's the reason we added this. Maybe I will explain you in the code this about this. A user can have multiple roles like admin, editor, employee. So as an, I will create one user. To that user, I will assign multiple roles. So he can log in into admin panel, he can log in into user panel, editor panel also. Design all the filament resources with the grids and cards to look more elegant. This is UI perspective of the admin. So if required, update user model as per the above requirement. So give me the step-by-step commands. Note, we have already completed the filament version. Installation already completed. Just we are giving a hint to this AI tool. Please copy the prompt. Open ChatGPT or DeepSeek. So this is the thread we used earlier. But if you want to create a new thread, no problem. Just I'm going to add my prompt. In my prompt, I clearly mentioned I already installed, my setup is completed, so it may not generate those commands again. So let us hit enter and please wait for some time. It will create the commands to generate the resources. It will give the commands. Yeah. It take around 1 minute 45 seconds to analyze the prompt which I given. So please wait for some time. I think it is started getting the process getting started. It is generating the code. Meanwhile, we will go for step by step. So let us go to this and please try to add a column called isActive. So it is a migration file. As I told you in the prompt, I want to add a column isActive. So based on that, I can activate and inactivate the users. So now open the code and let me clear this. I'm going to run the command to, it will create the migration file. Right, migration file got created. So where we can see the migrations file in the database folder, we have migrations. Here we will see the file add. This is a code they have given. So now you can copy this code, paste this code into that file. Just I'm adding the code. So what is a column? Oh, PHP tag is missing. Go and top, add the PHP code, PHP tag. Right. Now we are added a column. What is the next step? I think need to run the migrate command. Because of running the migrate command, column will be added into the users table. Run the migration. Yeah, migration successful. This column will be added. I think now we have to update the model. So this is user model. In the user model, we have to add is active column. Let me copy this column. Open user model. Yeah, here we are going to add a column is active. I think here also we have to add under cast. So this is going to be the type boolean. Right, we done with the model. What is this? Optional convenience scope. Optional may be, may not be, no problem, but I'm adding. They said optional. Even if you can add it, not add, no problem, I believe. Perfect. This is completed. Now, they're asking us to create the models. Actually, for role and permission, we did not create the models. We created permissions. Sorry, we did not create the model for user also. User model is by default coming with installation. So now it is asking to optional but recommended. Okay, app level role based permission model. Okay, let me do one thing. So let us create the model. So I'm going to run the command. Nothing, just running the command. So role model will be created. You see under the models, role model created. In the same way, we will run the following command called permission model. Yeah, permission model got also created. Now it's time to just copy this code. This is the code we have to add in the role model. Open the role model. Just remove all this. Just copy this code. Right. The same way, copy the code which is related to permission model. Open the permission model.php. Just remove the existing. Add the new thing. Yeah. So we did models created. Next, what is this is going to be very important. Can you see update config permissions.php? Yes, let us open the config permissions.php. So this is config folder. We will see a file with name permissions.php. So can you go there? It is asking us app model permission. So permissions, open this. This is the permission already, Spatie permission something. So let us do one thing. You can comment it without deleting. Just comment, add this. Same way, role is also there. For role, you can comment it. You just add this. I think this is updated automatically when you run the commands, right? Oh, I mean, when you are installing the filament actually. So now it is saying that optimize clear. Now I want to clear the cache. Yeah, everything clear. Now it's the second step, generate filament resources. Can you see? These are the filament resources. If you have multiple panels, add panel admin. Right now, we don't have multiple panels. We have only one panel, that is admin panel. So copy the first command, second command, third command. One by one we will do. It's very important. You verify the app folder. Inside app folder, now you are going to find a folder with name filament. If we can run the following command. Let me run the command. So copy the command, paste here. Yeah, generate and view. And it is asking the title. Let us use, this is going to be, what is the thing? Users. All right, it is created. What is created? User resource got created successfully. If we can open the app folder, you see there is a filament folder. Inside we will see resources. Under this you have a users folder. In this users folder, you will find the user resource.php. We asked in the prompt. So create user role permission resources. These are the commands. Because of running this command, the CRUD operation is generated automatically. We don't want to write any logic for the CRUD operation. Even if you want to customize, yes, we can customize these CRUD operations also. The next command for role, copy this, clear this. Sorry. Yeah, let me clear this. Let me run the command for role. It is asking the title. You write roles. Yes, it is created. Now, can you go and check this in the filament folder again? In the filament folder resources, we have two folders. One is roles, other one is going to be users. Done. This is also completed. Now the third one, permission resource. So run the command. So under the same filament, you are going to see one more folder with name called permissions. Can you see? Permissions, roles, and users. They are all created. So now resources created successfully. You can do one thing. If you can just go and refresh it, maybe you will see the three resources here in the right side panel. It is taking some time. Is our application is running? I started. Please wait. Yeah, you see permissions, roles, users. We can group all these three menu items under navigation group like user management like this. For this, I have some commands here in the editor. So if you want to add a navigation group, yes, this is the command you have to add in the, not command, actually the code you have to add into the resources. So what are the three resources you created just now? So let me, this is the model, close this, close this, close this, close this. I'm closing all. If required, we will open again. Now, if you can go to the users, you will see user resource.php. Inside this file, we have to add the command here, right? As well as you have to import that statement, use unit enum, right? This is not settings. Let me make this as a user management, or user and roles, whatever you want, you can take it. Same thing, you can open the roles and here also add the same command. Just let me paste the command. What is this is going to be user management. User management, you have to import the unit enum. So use unit enum. So same way, what is the next one? Permission. Go to the permission folder, open the permission resource.php. So remove this, right? Add the thing called user management, user management. So all these three should come under user management, use unit enum. Just if we can refresh the admin panel, you see the beauty, what is going to be happening. Go there, just refresh it. Under user management, this is called navigation group. Under this navigation group, we can see the three menu items. Now, let me change these icons also. This is what rectangle stack, right? That is the icon name actually. Let me try to change the rectangle stack. So here, this is the navigation icon. Let me remove this. What is this? Is permission, right? So I want to select an icon, LOCK, lock closed. Okay, fine. This is nice. For role, I think we have something called shield, SH. Yeah, it is going to be what the icon name is what shield check. Okay, fine. For this, let me remove this. And I'm writing this is going to be user group. Fine. Right. Let me try to refresh it again. Let us see is the icons are got changed or not. So icons got changed. Now I want to make a proper order. First users, after that roles, after that permissions. It is a reverse order based on the order you created or alphabetical order, I think. But I want to do this. For this, we have one command, navigation, not this is 1 minute. I have the command here also. This is what navigation sort. Copy this command and paste here. This is what user resource 1. Next role resource is going to be 2. I want to add this as a 2. So save this file. Let me try to go there. Let me try to add this as 3. Save this again. If you can go and refresh the page, you will see the order of the icons. Perfect. Now we done up to here. So this step is completed, right? We just created the resources. After that, we did the following. Now what is they are doing here? Are they giving the code? They are asking us to add this code in user resource.php. This is already, we opened three files: user resource, role resource, permission resource. But don't add that code, my important thing. I observed this code is related to, it is look like Filament version 3, not version 4, I believe. Even if you can add it, you may get a lot of errors. Don't try to add it. Filament version is completely changed. Fourth version is completely changed. Previously, if you can observe, once you create a resource in the version 3, if anybody have idea of Filament version 3, so we cannot see schemas and tables. We will see only pages and user resource.php. Right now, they added schemas and tables. Actually, earlier, the table and everything is going to be added in this only. See, here have form. All the form related fields will come here. All the table related fields will come here. But now what they did, they're not adding the form fields and they're not adding the table fields here. For schemas, there is a user form. For table, there is a user table. If you want to add any column extra or remove extra, this is the place where you have to modify. In the same way, users form.php also, this is the form code they have added here. So all the form code will be inside. If you want to add any extra column, you have to come here. But previous versions of Filament, we have to do everything inside the resource.php only. But they given the code, but I think if you can add it, it may not work, I believe. So I'm not going to do this. Okay. So this is permission resource. After all these are completed, let me create the artisan seeder. So PHP artisan seeder, admin seeder. This is for assigning the permissions to the role. That role we will assign to the user. So it will create a command, but I'm not copying the command, but I observed that the code is not related to version 4. But whatever the code generated by the Filament commands, you keep that code. Don't change the code. Yeah, this file is created. Where this will created, this is a seeder. This will created into the database folder. You have seeders folder. This is a admin seeder.php. So let me do one thing. So whatever the code they given to me, so this is the code. Where is this admin email? This is name admin god web something, right? Let me copy this code. What is they doing here? Quick step by step, you can paste in your shell. So model created, optimize, clear. Oh, all the commands they given at a time. Okay, fine, no problem. You can just run the following command. Okay, now I'm running the following copy code and seeding. Just we are seeding the database. If you can enter the command, database will be seeding. Yeah, seeding database. I mean, with the data that we have entered in the, oh, inside we didn't enter the code, right? Sorry. Copy the code and paste the code inside of it. No problem. Empty seeding we did. Now you are going to run the same command again. Open the terminal, run the same command, db seeding. Yeah, database is seeding. Up to here we are done. What is the next thing? They are not adding anything. These are the quick recap. What we want to do step by step, all the comments they're given at a time. So that's it. Now let us go to the dashboard. Let me refresh. If you have any errors or anything, we will check. So right now I don't have any error. Just click on users. We have to check these menu items by navigating through their pages. If you have any errors, we have to fix them. Up to here we will do. Yeah, so we are able to see one user. Perfect. And if we can click the roles, do we have any roles right now? Oh, one role, that is admin role, right? This is done just now. You did something called what it is. You just did this command artisan dbcd. You did this now, because of that this record is there, I believe. So permissions, do you have any permissions right now? Oh, no permissions. We have to work with the permissions. Perfect. All these are added. Users, let me try to create a new user. So, and we will see this how a user will be created. Oh, perfect. User, let me take the username test@mail.com. So email verified it. Let me take the current date and time. Password test@123, all small. Account is active and create. Let me see is the account is going to be created or not. Once created, we will go and verify the users. See how what is happening. This is all created. Go to the view users. Yes, user got created, test user. Right? Next roles. Oh, shall we edit? Oh, we cannot see the delete button here. I think, can I see the bulk delete, bulk action? Yeah, user deleted. We can add individual delete button in every row also. We will ask the AI tool. Please wait for some time. Just we are verifying what is happening because of running those commands. Let me go to the roles. Can I create one role here? Yeah, new role. That is admin role. What is the name of this role? EDITOR, editor. So God is web itself. Let me create a thing. Actually, editor panel is not created yet. Okay. So this is the view. Just it is showing that it is created. You can click the roles and we will see the second role as well. Do we have any permissions right now? I don't have any permission. You please wait. I will tell you how can we add all the permissions, right? And we don't have any kind of other panels also, user panel, editor panel, employee panel. We have one and only panel that is nothing but admin panel. So please wait for some time. We will work on those panels also. As of now, we are successfully completed the users, roles, permission CRUD operation. Of course, you can add the permissions here. Click on the permission. Maybe it will ask the permission name and God name, web by default web, and permission name. Do you know how to add the permission names? I think we don't know right now. So we'll work on these permissions also. Finally, we have successfully completed user role permission CRUD operation. Now what I will do in the next video, we are going to create editor panel and employee panel. If you are an editor, you can able to access the editor dashboard. If you're an employee, you can able to access the employee dashboard only. As an editor, you cannot access the admin dashboard. As an employee, you can access employee dashboard only. You don't have permission to access user admin dashboard as well as editor dashboard. So let us work with the panels, editor panel, employee panel in the next video. Thank you. If you have any questions, please post under the video. We can answer for you. Thank you. Thank you very much. We will see you in the next video.